Hey friends, my name is Julia Higgins. I currently serve as Assistant Professor of Ministry to Women at Southeastern Baptist Theological Seminary, located in Wake Forest, North Carolina. Recently, I wrote a book called Empowered and Equipped, Bible Exposition for Women Who Teach the Scriptures. This book outlines my passion for teaching women how to read, interpret, and teach God's Word. I'm so passionate about that topic that I have begun to develop a workshop that I can teach in local churches outside the four walls of the seminary classroom. And I'm excited to let you know that I'll be leading one of these workshops at Lake Mary on Friday night and Saturday, May 5th and 6th. I'm calling this a workshop because it won't just be me speaking, but you'll learn concepts that you'll immediately put into practice throughout the weekend so that when you leave, you'll feel like you have a better grasp of knowing how to do Bible exposition. It's my hope and prayer that if you desire to know how to study God's Word better or to teach it more faithfully as you make disciples, that you'll join us for this wonderful weekend as we dig into God's Word, delighting in Him so that we can invite others to do the same.